Hello everyone, Zin with you, and today we'll show you how to set a shutdown timer to your PC. Now I'm using Windows 10, but you are going to do the same on Windows 11. Now you should click on two buttons, the Windows plus R, or simply you can go and click on this search menu and type here run and open it like so. Then you want to type here a specific command. So you just have to type just like this, shutdown space dash S space dash T. Now let me explain this code right here. I will leave it down below in the description of the video. Now this is the action, and this is S refers to the shutdown and T refers to time. And now you should enter number or the time in seconds. So let's say that I want to close it after 5 minutes. So I will multiply 60 seconds by 5 minutes and it will equal 300. Then you should click on OK. Then you will be having this message right here. You just click on close. Now let's say that you changed your mind. The process is simple. You just have to go back and press on Windows plus R. Then you want to type here shutdown space dash A. Then click on OK. And you will get a message that you have canceled the shutdown schedule. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.